Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, this is an emergency video that I'm bringing to you guys because we just saw a flash crash happen in the cryptocurrency space just right now. Markets have pulled down significantly and we are seeing a lot of bloodbath across the board right now. Market cap right now is $2.26 billion. We're down 12.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.6%. So yeah, if we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing a lot of red across the board because the Bitcoin went down roughly 12.3%, taking the entire markets down with it. And, this is a perfect example. Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. So when it goes down, the entire market goes down with it. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. So now you may be asking, what is causing this price action to occur? There's a lot of panic in the market right now. So what exactly caused this major price, pullback to occur? So let me share one thing with you guys. Elon Musk came out and posted this. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transactions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy slash transactions. So he basically came out and said, as you guys may know, the major headline that was made just 2 months ago where Bitcoin, Tesla came out and said, we will be accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. But today he came out and said that they will no longer be doing that because of, the negative effect that it has on the environment because of the Bitcoin mining. But they are looking for some other cryptocurrencies that they can add instead of Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, Solana has posted on their, replied saying DMs are open. Same with, Tezos. So there might be another cryptocurrency that they add instead of Bitcoin. I believe Solana could be one of them. Cardano, possibly Tezos, and Dogecoin even. So very, so basically this caused a lot of panic across the board. And, Elon Musk is such a big figure in the cryptocurrency space, just due to the fact that he announced this. I'm sorry, not in just the cryptocurrency space. He's a huge figure around the world. So his whatever he says has a very major impact. He had something to say about Bitcoin, how they won't be accepting it, but he did not say cryptocurrencies are, a scam or this or that. He still said we are looking for another cryptocurrency. So now this is where the whales manipulation comes into play. So what exactly happened was that, we saw Bitcoin fall all the way down from around $55,000 all the way down to $48,000 once this announcement was made. No, I'm sorry. Let me just bring out the BTC chart for you guys so you guys can get a better understanding to see what exactly is going on. All right, so if we're bringing up Bitcoin's charts right now, guys, I'm sorry, we're just gonna bring this out. Okay, so if we're looking at Bitcoin's chart right now, Bitcoin was trading at 56,000, roughly around those level. And then, as soon as the announcement came out, we dipped all the way down to $53,000. And this is where the whale manipulation comes into play, as you guys may know. So the announcement was made around this level, around here. So we pulled back. We can do the measurement as well. So 57,000 all the way down to here. So we pulled down roughly 7%. And, that created a lot of panic, and a lot of newcomers are coming in the markets. They don't know exactly what's going on. They're thinking, oh, there's a lot of, sell-off happening, so let's just sell. And, a lot of panic does tend to occur. So now this is where the whales come into play. They already know the markets are in, a panic mode. So what are they going to do? They're going to take 100% advantage of this. So they push the price down even more. So we saw a major couple, maybe there's a couple big whales that dumped their dumped their Bitcoin onto the markets, which caused us to fall even further down, which caused us to fall all the way down to $46,000, guys. So Bitcoin literally fell in just one day due to this news. So from $57,000 all the way down to $46,000. We fell down 20%, but we got bought back up very quickly. And as you guys can see, we got bought back up very quickly, and we're up 10% since it's absolute low wick that we saw today. So guys, this goes to show the whale manipulation does exist in the markets, and they take advantage of news like this to occur. Elon Musk did not come out and say, I'm not going to be accepting cryptocurrencies anymore. I don't support cryptocurrencies. He just said, due to the negative effect that mining has on the environment, I will no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. But that does not mean they sold their Bitcoin holdings that they bought, like $1 billion worth of Bitcoin that they bought just a couple months ago. That he did not say that. And so this goes to show the amount of panic that can be created in the markets so fast, and how fast the markets can react, and how whales can come and take advantage of it. And that's exactly what we saw happen today. If we're looking at Vechain right now, guys, you guys can see Vechain came all the way down to 15 cents. As I have said, this is why I always say, now this is a perfect example right in front of us, guys. This is why I say, we always have to look at the bearish scenario to play out. And a perfect example right in front of us. This is cryptocurrencies. Whales can manipulate the markets anytime they want. And, obviously Vechain went down along with the Bitcoin. And we were supported very nicely around this support level at that 15.5 cents range. This goes to show how strong of a level of support this really is for Vechain. We bounced back up right after we touched that, and we are up. We can measure that right now too. We are up 16.3% since this wick all the way down. And same goes with BTT, guys. BTT wicked all the way down to what's it called, 0.005 cents. There is a level of support around there, and guess what happened since then? We got bought back up, and we're back up 16.25%. And even we can look at Cardano for you guys. I could bring out Cardano's charts for you guys so you guys can get a better understanding. Let's bring out the USDT chart, and look, guys, look what's happening. Look what's happening. I have said this is a strong level of support for us now, and we did not even touch that. We did not even touch that. We came all the way down to $1.50, and again, what happened? Bought back up very quickly. 8% were up already from its lows. So the moral of the story is, the reason as to why I had to make this emergency video is due to the fact that this is a perfect example right in front of us, especially for the newcomers. I always say, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow. You do not want to be shaken out during these times, especially when whales do take advantage of the markets like this. And this is what we happen. As you guys can see, we wick down, and these prices did not stay very long. We got bought back up very quickly, and that happened with Bitcoin as well. So, you do not want to be shaken out around these times, guys. I know a lot of new money is coming into the space, and, this is very normal in the crypto space, and the overall market sentiment is still very bullish, guys. Zoom out. Let's look at the bigger picture. And, we're still in the upwards trajectory. Bitcoin could fall further now because, there is, newcomers into the space too, which can cause a sell-off to happen. Yes, it can definitely happen. And if Bitcoin were to drop even further for Vechain, we could even go, below, and we could possibly touch 13 cents. But I do not see that happening right now, because this announcement was not, a negative announcement. He did say, I will start looking into other cryptocurrencies that, we can accept as a payment method. He's still very bullish on crypto, and, this is just whale manipulation at its finest right in front of us, and they took advantage of this news that came out. And for BTT, guys, BTT is looking, bullish too, in my opinion. I might be picking some up around here. If you guys don't know, if you have not heard this term called be greedy while others are fearful, that's a very a long it's been a long saying that has existed in the crypto space, and not only cryptos, stocks as well. So I personally prefer to be greedy while others are fearful when there's blood across the board, and because I believe in crypto long term. And these I have been in the markets for a few years now, since 2016, early 2016, and I have seen this happen over and over and over again. Cryptocurrencies are the future, as long as you have done your due diligence and research and you have invested what you can afford to lose, guys. Patience is your number one key to follow. And with Cardano, guys, Cardano is looking very, very bullish in my opinion. Bought back up very quickly, and I still believe we're off to the races, and we will see some newer highs very, very soon. But as long as Bitcoin were to stay stable, Bitcoin could go further down, guys. Bitcoin has the possibility of falling further down, but I do not see that being uh, for too long. It could wick down, but will be bought back up very, very quickly. And this is a perfect example, once again, right in front of you guys, that whales can manipulate the markets, and we always have to be prepared for such moves to occur. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. I had to make this emergency video for you guys. For all my viewers, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so, so much for always showing so much support. It is much appreciated. And also, guys, before I end this video, to all the Crypto ZX fans, all the supporters, you guys had been asking me for due diligence merch, and I have finally launched that today. So if you guys are a supporter of my channel and you guys would like to support this channel, please visit the link in the description box below and purchase this hoodie or t-shirt. This will help out the channel a lot, and it would mean the world to me. But yeah, so link will be in the description box below. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much once again. And with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.